Local church helped deliver food, water, and toilet paper to community food pantries in southern Nevada today. The crossing partnered with global relief organization Convoy of Hope to get a 50-foot truck full of food and supplies. It will help small food pantries that are off the radar and not getting as much as they need right now.
This is a time where the church is rediscovering the opportunity to actually be the church, to be a community that goes out into our community with no agenda and just says, what are the needs that we have and how can we meet them?
And that's fantastic. And the supplies delivered today should help the smaller food pantries for the next couple weeks.